If you're over 50 and you've thought, I'm behind and I don't have time to waste, I get it. The cost of living doesn't care about our plans. Groceries went up, insurance went up, and retirement, for a lot of people, it didn't. Today, I'm going to show you 5 realistic beginner income streams you can build without being techie and without a big following. Stay to the end because the last one is the fastest shortcut, but I'm also going to tell you how to avoid the scams. Comment start if you're building a plan B after 50. Quick note, none of this is get rich quick. This is get steady and realistic. And the strategy is simple. We're going to pick one topic, build one small offer, and stack income streams around it like bricks. Here's the mistake most beginners make. They chase 10 ideas at once and finish none. Instead, pick one. Downsizing and decluttering. Simple meal prep for blood sugar, beginner phone photography, budget grocery systems, or yes, even dog training. One topic, one audience, one simple result. Passive income number 1, digital product. Income stream number 1 is your foundation. A simple digital product. Not a 97 lesson course. I mean a clean, helpful 7-day plan or a checklist bundle. Example, stop your dog's barking in 7 days or 30-day downsizing checklist. Here's the move. Search YouTube for the problem. Look at comments. People literally tell you what they need. Create the simplest tool that helps. A tracker, scripts, steps, a plan. Price it low enough to be a yes for beginners. $19 to $49. This matters because you can sell it over and over without taking calls, shipping boxes, or dealing with inventory. Number 2, affiliate income stream. Number 2, affiliate income that matches what you teach. If you're teaching decluttering, you recommend storage bins or label makers. If you're teaching meal prep, you recommend your favorite containers or air fryer. The key, don't be random, one solution per problem. Add a tools I use section inside your product and in your video descriptions. Those commissions won't make you rich overnight, but stacked over time, they become real. Number 3, YouTube evergreen income stream. Number 3 is the engine. YouTube search videos. Because YouTube doesn't die in 24 hours like social posts. A helpful video can bring views for months. Video ideas that work. 3 mistakes that keep your dog barking. How to declutter fast without getting overwhelmed. Meal prep for beginners over 50. And every video has one next step. Grab the free checklist or get the full plan below. You don't need fancy gear. Phone, window light, clear audio if you can. Consistency beats perfection. Income stream number 4 is how you stabilize. A membership. Because people don't just want information, they want accountability. A simple membership can be $19 per month, weekly challenge, monthly queue, and A templates added slowly. If you help people get small wins, they stay. And recurring income is how you stop feeling like you're starting from zero every month. Number 5, shortcut with safety. Income stream. Number 5 is a shortcut. Licensing or resell rights. But we're doing this responsibly. Best case, you buy a course that's valuable, even if you never resell it. You learn the skills, and you resell with clear rules. Here are red flags. If it's all income hype and no real skill, run. If it depends mostly on recruiting other sellers, run. If people are making wild guarantees, run. If you do explore it, treat it like training plus a licensed product, and always disclose if you earn from it. And if you don't like this model, you can still get the same speed by using licensed templates as ingredients in your own product, customized to your audience. So the roadmap is one topic, one simple digital product, affiliate tools, YouTube evergreen videos, Optional membership, that's how you build something that grows while you live your life. Now tell me this, which one would you start with first? Was digital product, YouTube, or membership? Comment it below so I can point you to the best next step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want, I'll make a follow-up video with 3 beginner product ideas for people over 50. Just comment ideas and I'll know.